So Vladimir Putin has got what he wanted from a two-day trip to Shanghai. The Russians and the Chinese have signed a deal, apparently for Russia to export 38 billion cubic meters of gas over 30 years, beginning in 2018. Gazprom, the Russian gas company, is saying the deal is worth over $400 billion potentially, but there's a couple of important details still aren't clear. This deal has been discussed over 10 years, and the sticking point really has always been price. A lot of details such as the volume of exports and when the deal will start had already been agreed last year. Price is key. China obviously doesn't want to pay too high a price. Russia wants to get a price that's somewhere akin to what it exports its gas to Europe at right now. We still don't know exactly the details. Gazprom has put a value on the deal, but they're saying that the pricing terms are a commercial secret. The impression that will be given by this deal is very much that Russia is pivoting towards China. Obviously, with the crisis going on in Ukraine, tensions between the West and Russia have deteriorated somewhat, so Russia is looking for new friends and new markets for its gas. When you put this deal into perspective, though, you see that Europe is still going to remain incredibly important to Russia in terms of its gas exports. Russia exports around 170, 180 billion cubic meters of gas each year to Europe. 38 billion will now go to China, so that's just a small proportion of Europe's exports, and Europe will remain a crucial market to Russia. Having said that, this deal is still some way off. The gas, as I said, won't be exported to China until 2018, and European leaders will watch to see whether the details of the deal are finally clinched.